Imagine owning a home so advanced it makes its own water, recycles your shower, turns your waste into free energy, and costs less than a used iPhone. Sounds impossible, right? But what if I told you it's real, costs just $5,759, and comes straight from Tesla? Today, we're about to reveal the tiny house that could destroy utility bills, survive disasters, and even help us live on Mars. Before you think it's hype, wait till you see the engineering behind it. This isn't just a home. It might, with the future of living itself. Stay tuned, because what's inside will blow your mind. Asterisk today on Roadzone Reviews, we're diving into something that could shake the very idea of what a home means in the 21st century. Forget supercars, forget electric pickups this time. It's not about roads at all. What we're looking at is the birth of a giant, distributed utility. And here's why that's groundbreaking. For over a century, utility companies have held a near unchallenged monopoly on how we power, heat, and supply water to our homes. Generations of homeowners have been stuck paying monthly bills that keep rising, tied to grid systems built decades ago. But now, for the first time ever, there's real competition against that monopoly. And it comes in the unexpected shape of a tiny, futuristic home engineered by Tesla. And yes, this time, Elon Musk isn't talking about cars, solar roofs, or rockets to Mars. He's talking about your home, the very walls around you. Picture this: while millions pay over $3,000 each month in rent or juggle crushing mortgage payments, the 2026 Tesla tiny house arrives, priced at an almost unbelievable $5,759. But it's not just the sticker shock that makes it game-changing. It's what's hidden inside that could rewrite the entire housing playbook. Imagine living in a house that makes its own water, recycles nearly everything you use, and keeps going when city infrastructure fails. But could it truly work in daily life? Could it scale from a niche idea to millions of homes? And what if it breaks? Does the whole dream fall apart? Or does it go even further, becoming something bigger than just a shelter? If you've ever dreamed about a home that no landlord or bank could take away, a home that keeps running when disasters strike, stick around until the end. This video might reveal the future you've been waiting for. And hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to join over 135,759 others in the Roadzone Reviews community who explore the frontier of engineering and design. 1. How does Tesla's water and sewage system turn this tiny house into a self-sustaining miracle? Today, an average person flushes away 80 to 100 gallons of clean water every single day, and that means thousands of dollars each year poured into utility bills. But Tesla engineers have built something that sounds like sci-fi, yet it's real. And here in 2026, for $5,759, the Tesla tiny house isn't just walls and a roof. It's a micro-engineered survival pod that makes you fully independent from the water and sewage systems that have drained your wallet and limited your freedom for generations. At the heart is a closed-loop water system. Let's unpack what that means. Within 300 square feet of living space, there's a cleverly hidden 200-gallon water storage tank, fully protected against freezing and fitted with heating coils to keep things running in winter, instead of standard filters. Tesla uses a graphene-based filtration unit up to 5 times more efficient than traditional reverse osmosis. Powering this system, solar panels paired with Tesla Powerwall batteries, delivering about 2 kilowatt-hours daily just for water processing. And the genius part, every component is factory installed, using Tesla's famous SnapFit connectors, the same engineering that keeps EV battery modules solid even in high-speed crashes. This means the system slides into a 2-foot utility space, and installation takes just around 1.5 hours, saving homeowners up to $5,000 in plumbing costs alone. But what really makes jaws drop is the sewage system. Inspired by NASA's ISS waste recycling tech, Tesla's biodigester is tiny, just about 1 foot by 1.5 feet, yet fully EPA certified for use in every US state. Waste enters, aerobic bacteria get to work, and out comes odorless compostable matter. A separate ozone treatment stage kills pathogens instantly, while solar-powered vents handle evaporation and odor. The cost, just around $300. Compared to $10,000, $15,000 for a traditional septic tank, it's built to quietly run for over 20 years, meeting Tesla's automotive-grade durability standards. Real-life impact numbers. The water system recycles 90% of daily water, dropping use to about 5 gallons per person. That's an 80% cut in water bills, saving roughly $500 per year. AI continuously adjusts water flow based on your habits, squeezing out another 20% savings. If 100,000 such homes hit the market by 2030, they'd collectively save about 1.8 billion gallons of water annually. The sewage system transforms 100% of waste into compost, killing sewer fees and saving $500, $1,000 yearly for rural homeowners. Unlike septic systems that eat up 1,000 square feet of land, Tesla's system works in a closet-sized compartment. Cities and rural impact. Seattle and Austin face major housing shortages and spiraling utility costs. Tiny houses with off-grid systems could cut infrastructure costs by 30%, from around $70,000 per home down to roughly $50,000. Seattle plans to test 500 units by 2027, sheltering 2,000 people without laying a single new sewer pipe. For the 20 million rural Americans lacking reliable water and sewage, this tiny house offers independence, avoiding billions in infrastructure costs. By 2030, serving even 1 million households could save $2 billion nationwide. Lifestyle revolution? Imagine hot showers where recycled water keeps flowing, filtered water purer than bottled, right from your tap, enough reclaimed water daily to nourish a backyard garden, even methane gas captured to power your induction stove for free. During hurricanes, earthquakes, or blackouts, your house keeps water flowing while neighbors lose service. All of that inside a home priced less than a typical used car. So tell us, would a $5,759 self-sufficient home change your life? Drop $5,759 below if you think so. 2. What happens when something breaks? Tesla turns repairs into quick swaps. Not nightmares. Traditional homes can become money pits. Repairs drag on for weeks, cost thousands, and force you to rely on contractors who might not even show up. Tesla smashes this headache with modular, plug-and-play design. Need to fix something? Most Tesla tiny house parts can be swapped with just a screwdriver or wrench, costing only $50, $200. No drywall cutting, no surprise bills. Just snap out, snap in. Tesla says key components were engineered for under 10 minutes of user replacement. Imagine swapping a broken filter or pump faster than boiling pasta. AI-driven sensors track everything from water flow to battery temperature, catching clogs or wear before failures happen. And if you need help, the Tesla app walks you through repairs step by step, turning scary home maintenance into a 1 to 2 hour weekend task. Extra layer of support. By 2026, over 500 Tesla service centers across the US will handle repairs. Mobile repair vans reach rural zones where local contractors won't go. AI-powered chat, built on xAI's Grow platform, solves around 90% of problems remotely. Community forums let thousands of owners share quick fixes and hacks, creating the biggest DIY housing knowledge base ever. Tesla even offers a 24-hour emergency guarantee. If they can't fix your issue within a day, they'll arrange temporary housing. Cost comparison. Traditional homeowners spend around $34,000 over 10 years on repairs and wait days or weeks for help. Tesla tiny house owners, under $1,000 over 10 years, usually fixing problems the same day. If the idea of a home that nearly repairs itself sounds good, drop Tesla tiny house below. 3. Beyond housing. Tiny houses reshaping disaster response. Campuses, offices, and even space. This tiny house isn't just about saving on rent. Its off-grid design unlocks uses no other home can match. Disaster relief. FEMA trailers cost $15,000, $20,000 each and take weeks to deploy. Worse, they're useless without working power and water lines. Tesla's units can be airdropped or trucked directly into disaster zones. Housing for people with full water and power on day one, potentially sheltering 40,000 people yearly for a fraction of current costs. Education. College dorms in cities like Boston and San Francisco cost over $100,000 per bed to build. Tesla tiny houses could cut that cost by up to 95%, housing thousands of students by 2027 and giving universities flexible, movable housing. Business. Amazon and other corporations could deploy tiny houses as mobile offices, saving up to 20% on real estate. Even Hollywood is getting in. Netflix reportedly signed a $45 million deal to use Tesla tiny houses for filming locations, avoiding hotel costs and logistics nightmares. Mars and beyond. Elon Musk's vision for Mars colonization in the 2030s needs off-grid habitats that recycle water and waste, just like the Tesla tiny house does now. Each owner is effectively testing Mars habitat tech in their backyard. Economic impact. Just corporate adoption could save over $1 billion by 2030 through cheaper offices, lower utilities, and flexible locations. Imagine a single $5,759 home that purifies and recycles water, turns waste into fuel and compost, repairs itself, saves lives after disasters, reduces housing costs for students, prepares us for life on another planet. If that sounds like a game changer, write game changer in the comments and tell us how you'd use a Tesla tiny house. Stay with us because in future episodes, we'll explore how Tesla might combine AI, solar, and modular construction to change not just housing, but entire cities. Thanks for watching Road Zone Reviews. Until next time, drive safe, live smart, and imagine bigger.